Hey! In front of me is VIVO Y22S, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. Now just get this free app from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, open it. You can mute the music by tapping on the bottom left corner. Then click on bottom right one to access settings. Click on them at the top. Now select I accept in this pop-up in order to continue. Manage all of those settings however you wish to. And tap on the top right corner. Then select bottom one again, click on Set as Live Wallpaper, choose Apply, and pick the best option for you, in my case, Home Screen. When you finished, swipe up, click on Home button, and as you can see after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!